Today we're headed to the dyno to get some results on the 125 shot. I had ordered a 150 shot, but unfortunately it didn't get here in time. So we're gonna go get some gas. I'm gonna rinse this thing off before we get to the dyno because it's filthy. So, see you there. All right, we're here at the dyno. Completely stock IS300 intake pipe, exhaust, everything. The only thing I changed was the NGK BKR7Es plugs. One step colder, so let's hope she doesn't blow up. Mike Massey,
hey, bud.
What do you think it's gonna make 205,000 mile?
286. 286.
No nitrous.
145.
Power and what was the torque?
320.
320.
11.8 all the way through.
Nice. Nice. Nice.
Anyways, he's like
Go down and do another one? Are you good?
Yeah, I'll do one more. Let's see if we can get that bottle pressure up though. Maybe the torch, yeah. About 900. About 900. Go a little more. All right, so we're about to make the second pass. First pass, we made about 130 over stock with low bottle pressure, 700 PSI. We got the bottle heated up to about 950, so we'll see how it does. Leaner, same.
It's actually a little richer.
Oh, Richard?
11. 11.75 first one. So the light green one
Yeah.
is the first one.
So made way more torque from the initial hit,
Right.
but less power. Oh.
Which, I mean, it's not a bad thing.
No.
You just gotta make sure. Do you have an actual bottle heater for it?
No. Yeah. I didn't need it in the other car because it was like summertime, so the bottle was always like 1100 PSI.
And you have to use this to spool the turbo, so.
Yeah.
Right. Alright, cool.
Sweet. 351. Almost made as much torque as you.
And more torque than you.